back to TagGooch with another video review here. I have something for all you drone owners, whether it's a Mavic, it doesn't matter the brand. This is for all drone owners out there. This is a product that I think that everybody should actually get or purchase. These are drone tags. If you actually head over to tagmydrone.com, all one word there, these are tags that you can actually order for your drone. They are basically little paperish decals that you can place on your drone itself that actually have not only your registration number with the FAA, but also have a little URL. So if somebody was to find your drone, if you had crashed it or whichever, found it and wanted to get it back to the owner, or at least have one way of contacting you, there is a tag on it. It has a quick web address to go to, and that way they can actually get a hold of you directly. When you actually order these, you put in your contact email, and then it creates a tag, tagjunior.co/customary number that they can enter in on the website if they found your drone. So there's a whole bunch of different varieties of these. I'm going to bring it a little bit closer so you can actually see what it looks like here on my drone. I actually have 2 of them on my drone, and I'll show you why. All right, so they cost about $6 to $9 depending on the type of version you have. I have from the traditional white version. If found, please visit this website. I also have their black and gold version, basically the same exact look as the white one. It's just that kind of orangish, I guess, more than gold, and then black. And then I also have my favorite, the kind of the brushed aluminum look to it. Again, same design, just a more of a brushed look instead. They do have a few different other designs that they have available as well, also in the white or the black series. They look really good, in my opinion, on the drone itself. I have one here on the outside of the drone. This is my primary one, obviously. If for some reason this gets basically peeled off, maybe when I'm crashing, something grabs a hold of the sticker and rips it off. I also have one inside of the battery compartment as well, here on the back of the drone, and that's the reason why I put that one in. He's like, you know what, I'm gonna put one in here, I'll put one on the outside. But the nice thing is that if I have multiple drones, when you order these, for instance, the brushed aluminum ones are the most expensive. They come in a set of 8. So you have more than one. You have plenty of them to go around. And for $9, that's a great deal. The cheaper ones, the white or the black ones, I think these are just like $6 a piece. Nothing special, obviously, than just being standard colors. Same adhesive, everything like that, just different look. But for $6, again, you get 8 of them for each one you go with, and you get more than enough for if you have this drone, if you upgrade to a new drone, or if you have multiple drones, or in my case, you put them in multiple locations on each drone that you own. It just gives you more capability. Now, of course, I could have put here on the back of the arm. There's a lot of places you could have actually, you could put them on here. You could put them on every single battery you own if you really wanted to. There's just varieties and capabilities. Put it on your controller if you feel fit to. The controller is always with me, so I'm not a big necessary need for that. But putting it on the drone, as well as inside of the battery compartment where it can't get ripped off in flight, I guess, I thought was at least something that I wanted to do. But that's what they look like. So this is one of those products that I can't stress enough that I think that these are awesome. Yes, you can get a piece of paper. Like before I had these, I just had a print off of my FAA registration number with a piece of tape over it that I stuck to the drone, and it worked fine. But for $6, I can get something that works really good. It sticks really good. It is water resistant, and it's going to give them a link to contact me if something was to go wrong. Now, of course, they could contact the FAA, and I'm sure the FAA could find you through your drone registration number. That's all great and everything, but this just skips that step. They can contact you directly, which is awesome. And then you can obviously work with them directly about getting your drone recovered. That's pretty awesome to me, and for how much they cost, it's almost nothing. Now, TagMyDrone did send me these, or I should say they gave me a coupon code to try these out. So I am coming to the point that I did not pay for these myself. However, they are more than worth every penny that they cost. So thanks to TagMyDrone for sending these over, because these are awesome. and I can't wait to put them on every single drone that I ever get, because this is a smart idea. And when I run out, I will be ordering more. Like I said, I really like the brushed look to it. It's a little bit shinier. It's a little bit more noticeable in my opinion, and it looks really good on the side of the drone. It looks more professional than just a white sticker. The black and gold one, you know, to be honest, when I first saw these, I thought this was going to be my go-to one. But when I saw how well it prints on the black and, or I'm sorry, the stainless steel, it just looks like professional printing. On the black and orange one, just looks a little fuzzier. I'm not as big a fan of that one, to be honest. So if I was to recommend one, it's the brushed aluminum one. The white ones work just fine, and obviously they're white, so they stand out. They just look more plain to me. So that said, I will post a link where you can do TagMyDrone.com. I am not affiliated with them, so feel free to use it all you want. It's not going to support me at all, but I do want to support them because they make an awesome product. So thanks for TagMyDrone for sending these over. Definitely check them out. If you have any other questions, post those below. Subscribe to the channel. Share the video so more people find this. This is one of those videos that I really hope you guys share because I want more people to find out about these if they're not familiar with them, because these are awesome. So thanks for stopping by. Thanks for watching the video here to the end. We'll catch you on a future one.